2024 Ford Ranger stands as a testament to innovation and advancement in the mid-size truck segment, blending power, technology, and utility in a design that appeals to both off-road adventurers and urban drivers. Under the hood, it carries forward the reliable 2.3-liter EcoBoost engine, but spices up the lineup with a new 2.7-liter twin-turbo V6 engine, offering 315 horsepower and 400 pound-feet of torque, ensuring that power and efficiency are not mutually exclusive. The Raptor variant pushes the envelope further with a 3.0-liter twin-turbo V6, boasting 405 horsepower and 430 pound-feet of torque, coupled with a 10-speed automatic transmission to deliver unrivaled performance across terrains. Ford has also enhanced the Ranger's towing capabilities, incorporating the advanced towing package that introduces driver assist features such as the Pro Trailer Backup Assist, making towing more intuitive. This is complemented by a suite of connectivity features, including wireless Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, a customizable digital gauge cluster, and a large infotainment screen, all designed to make the driving experience more enjoyable and connected. Off-road enthusiasts are not left behind, with the Ranger offering an FX4 package that includes an off-road screen displaying vital information such as steering angle, pitch and roll, and predictive tire guidelines. Despite its global reach, the Ranger does not compromise on connectivity, sporting an embedded 4G LTE modem for over-the-air updates, although the absence of 5G connectivity is noted. The 2024 Ford Ranger is more than just a truck. It's a mobile command center, a rugged companion for off-road excursions, and a sophisticated vehicle for daily commuting. With its blend of power, advanced towing features, and cutting-edge technology, the Ranger is set to redefine expectations in the mid-size truck market.